Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing a back to school makeup tutorial. I am really excited to be filming in this video today on my channel. This is my first back to school makeup, so I'm going to be making it into a back to school series. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up to see if you guys want me to continue making this type of videos. So I am going to show you how to create this look right here. It is super easy, super quick, because we need to be on time for our classes. So I got you. Alrighty, so I hope you guys like this video. I'm also going to be filming a last minute makeup tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell button so YouTube can notify you when I upload that video. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So before we go in with foundation, it is really important to prime your face. I feel like primers does do a difference when it comes to the application of the foundation and the longevity of the foundation as well. So with that being said, I am going in with my NYX Pore Filler. So it's mostly going to fill in your pores and blur out your skin a little bit. So I'm mostly going to be focusing this on this side of my face, and then whatever I have left on my hands, I'm going to just apply it everywhere else. Now we are going to go in with foundation. I usually always like to go in with my eyeshadow first, but because today we are not going to do something so glammed up but something simple, it is okay to go in with foundation. Going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 220. Gonna go ahead and dot this on my face. So I did color match myself when I went to Ulta, but because the lights aren't 100% accurate as the sun, it did look like it matched my skin in the store, but I don't know if it's going to be matching my skin now that we're here. So we're just gonna go ahead and see how it fits, just because I want to keep it a natural and simple look, nothing too heavy on the skin, because we are going to be going to school, so we don't want to feel super heavy on the face. Something more breathable for the skin, natural and easy. So I'm just gonna build it up where I do have my blemishes. I have moved on to the other side of the face. I did add about like 2 layers on this side and a little bit more layers on where I have my blemishes, but you can still see them peek through. So I guess I'm just gonna have to go in with a powder and just keep covering that up. This foundation is really good for normal to oily skin since it is a matte foundation. So that's really good to know. I am combination skin, so I really do get oily in the summer, especially on my T-zone, which is why I chose a mattifying foundation today. Now taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. I did also color match myself to this concealer at Ulta. It did look like it was a perfect shade to give myself a great highlight under the eye, nothing too light, just a perfect shade. So I'm really hoping it's not too dark. It looks too yellow on the camera, so I really hope it blends out really light. So I'm going to add it down my bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. Just so it can make us look like we are awake. So that is why I wanted to go in with a lighter concealer. I'm just gonna blend that out with my fancy sponge. Alright. I look awake. I am going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade 10 Fair Light. So I'm just going to set my whole under eyes with this powder. I'm not gonna do a whole baking today. I just want to set my under eyes. Oh dang, that was a lot. Never mind. I think I'm gonna do baking today. Oh Lord, this sponge got a lot of powder. I got too excited. It's okay. And if you guys hear any noises in the background, I really do apologize. Outside, my neighbors are making a lot of noises, so I really do apologize for that. So I'm gonna blend away all this powder on this side. Got too excited. I'm going with my Morphe brush and just blend away the excess powder. To set the rest of my face, I am taking my L'Oreal powder in the shade W5. I am just going to set my whole outer face with it. Hopefully it gives me a little bit more coverage to where I couldn't cover up with the foundation. So I'm just gonna tap it onto my skin. A little bit on my forehead. Nothing too much, just a little bit more coverage. To bronze up my face, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer, and this is in the shade What Shady Beaches. I really love the packaging for this. It's really cute, and it's really big, so I know it's going to last a long time. So I really love this. And to bronze up my face, I am going to go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is a 195 brush. I'm obsessed with this bronzer brush. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit, tap off the excess, and just bronze up my face. I don't want to do contouring today. I just want to add a little bit color onto my skin. So I'm just going to go in circular motions and just bronze up my face, my forehead. So since we are all bronzed up, it is your choice if you do want to carve out your cheeks. I will probably do that later, not right now. So with that, I am going to go in with my Milani Baked Powder Blush, and this is in the shade Luminoso. This is my favorite blush. I loved it ever since I was in high school, and I still love it. And I'm just going to go in with my BH Cosmetic number 2 brush. I think this is going to be in the Pink Marble collection, and it's the big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna add that on the apples of my cheeks and just blend out what's rest on my blush all the way up to my temples, just to keep adding some color. To carve out my cheekbones, I'm still gonna go in with the same Fit Me powder. I'm not gonna have it bake, it's just a little cleanup. This is why I love this sponge. It's easy to carve out your cheekbones. It gives a really nice clean line. And whatever is left, I'm gonna just swipe it down. And then with the same brush, I'm going to wipe it away. And I cleaned it up. Nice. For highlight today, I am taking the Milani Strobelight Instant Glow in Sun Glow. I'm gonna go ahead and spray that with my Mara Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe and cucumber. This is really good. I love this one, and I love the rose water as well. So I'm just gonna wet my brush. This is my Anastasia A23 highlighting brush. Obsessed. I'm gonna just lay that. Oh Lord Jesus, you see that? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so pretty, you guys. I'm obsessed with this highlighter, you guys. Think this is gonna replace my Amazing highlight? What do you guys think? Alrighty. Now we are done with the face and we are going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Armed Gorgeous palette. I did choose this palette just because it does have a lot of natural shades in them, so I don't want to do something super dramatic on the eyes. So I chose this palette out and it is affordable. You can pick it up at your local Ulta store. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Also did pick up this Morphe All I Want brush kit. It has 6 brushes. And it's really cute because I love how it comes with a bag. It actually looks like a pencil bag, doesn't it? Super cute. Alrighty. So you get a tapered crease brush, a line definer brush, a firm blending brush, a small chisel brush, a smudge brush, and a double-sided angle brush plus spoolie, and of course the bag. So this is really cute and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these today for today's eye look. So I am going to go ahead and pick up, I believe this is going to be the tapered crease brush. The tapered crease brush, I'm just gonna say this is a tapered crease brush. They should have put the names on it so it would be easier to know what brush is this, because in the picture looks different. I'm just gonna say this is a firm blending brush because this is the 3rd brush on the picture. Going into the Armed and Gorgeous palette, I am taking the shade Secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that onto my crease. And it's okay if it gets on the lid. Like I said, we're not gonna do anything super detailed, super dramatic. It's just gonna be something easy to achieve. Alright, so that looks really nice. And this brush is really soft. So I know I've tried so many other brushes where you just keep blending and blending and it starts irritating your skin. But this one is really soft. So I'm really loving that. So then afterwards, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Smooth Criminal and Agent at the same time and just pack that on my lid with the same brush and just blend it. I really enjoyed doing this type of eye looks when I wanted something to look like you tried but you really didn't. It was like really easy to achieve. So this was always my favorite go-to eye look. To add a darker color on the lid, while on the crease it's a little bit lighter. So this is my favorite eye look. All done, super easy. It looks like you actually really tried. But it was something really simple and something really fast as well. Just 3 colors all blended in and boom. Just gonna do the same thing on the under eye. So I'm gonna go in with this brush over here. Just add Smooth Criminal and Secure on my lower lash. Just tap out the excess, blend it in. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So we are all done with the eyes. So I'm just going to brighten up a little bit on the under eyes. So I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, and that is in the shade Banana. I'm just gonna add a little bit just to brighten up the under eyes a little bit. So just right here. Then I'm just gonna dust it away with the powder brush. Just wipe it all away. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and curl up my eyelashes. When I was in high school, I was obsessed with the whole wing liner, mascara, and all of that jazz, but I wanted to do something more natural, something more easy, just to wake up, focus more on your face, less on the eyes, and let's go type of thing, you know? So I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and I'm going to coat my lashes and my lower lashes. And coat my lower lashes. For lips today, I am going to go in with my Milani Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade number 5, I Am Pretty. Before I go in with that, I am going to line my lips, and I love the Italia Ultra Fine Lip Liner, and this is in the shade 730 Natural. You can get this at your local 99-cent store. This lip liner actually reminds me a lot of the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural as well. But I'm going to just stick with the 99-cent one. Alrighty. Now that my lips are all lined up, I am now going to go in with my Milani lipstick. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I really had fun creating this back to school look for you guys. If you guys like this type of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press that bell button so YouTube can notify you when I upload another video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.